Okay, I'm here, standing in front of a train that's going 50 miles an hour.
Jim, I can't stop the train myself. All I can do is trust that you can.
Here it comes!
I love you, man.
What? Don't say I love you. People only say that just before someone...
Jim! Yo, Jim!
Holy... Hey!
So it's like that, huh?
Boom! Yeah!